Why are there all of these injustices in the world, social, economic, and environmental? Why is justice and peace not for everyone? Because of their color, origin, and social class.
Au lieu de nous toujours demander, nous besoin, si nous faisons, même si c'est concret, même si c'est seulement une pompe, nous faisons avec ressources panois, qu'on a nos gambagay pour nous montrer mon qui vient là.
When would real localization of humanitarian aid become a reality? Not just a concept where all agents are working to empower local groups and for them to be in control of their own destinies.
As long as it's still donor and beneficiary, it's not a human relationship, and it's not going to work. So NGOs have to learn how to step down out of the nice cars and into the street, and not be afraid to let their guard down. Not be afraid to make themselves vulnerable, and not be afraid to be a friend.
SABINA continues to live in all of us that knew her. Her legacy continues as we continue to make the world a better place for everyone. Fly high, SABINA.